Luxembourg, capital of the Grand Duchy of the same name, was built as a fortified city on 2 levels. Here, history meets the present, and the city of some 130,000 people has a lot to offer its visitors. We're leaving it up to chance by simply asking some random locals about their favorite places.
In der Kathedrale ist neben den riesengroßen Fenstern, die sehr interessant ist, vor allen Dingen sehr einzigartig, sagen wir mal so. Es gibt 2 Orgeln und die 2 Orgeln kann man von einer Stelle aus spielen. Es ist egal, welche Orgel die sitzen, Sie können die zweite Orgel mitspielen.
The Notre Dame Cathedral is a landmark in the city centre. You enter through a magnificent main portal. The late Gothic building was constructed in the early 17th century. It has 2 organs, but figuring out exactly where they can be played from is a bit tricky at the moment because one is being renovated. But what would be another must-see in the vicinity of the cathedral?
Recomendamos la chocolatería de Luxemburgo porque está muy rico todo. ¿Te gusta a ti?
Just opposite the Grand Ducal Palace we find the Chocolate House. It's known beyond Luxembourg's borders for its sweet creations in French and Belgian chocolate and its tasty cakes. For owner Nathalie Bon, opening the store in 2008 was a sweet dream come true.
Schokolade ist für mich Freude, wirklich eine große Freude, Glückshormone und 60 verschiedene Sorten an heißen Schokolade. Ein Zusammensitzen, Schokolade probieren mit Freunden, dass man das schmeckt und sich austauscht. Also ich denke schon, dass das alles ist für mich Schokolade.
Nathalie Bon has even baked for Grand Duke Henri, just a modest little cake for his 60th birthday. A small neighbourly gesture, so to speak. And while enjoying a cup of hot chocolate, patrons can watch the changing of the guard in front of the palace across the street. And with a bit of luck, they might even catch a glimpse of the Grand Duke himself. So, where to next?
Moi, je pense que le skatepark, c'est un grand endroit où on peut trouver des gens qui font des belles figures et des beaux tricks. Et après, on peut voir des gens avec des BMX et avec des trottinettes et des skates. Et je recommande à tout le monde pour y aller là-bas.
The modern skate park lies right in the middle of the city's Petrus Valley. It's especially busy during the day and a great spot for a family outing. And possibly you'll be watching some of tomorrow's pros trying to land a kickflip. Our next tip pulls us right back into the old town.
Luxembourg, what's really pleasant is that you have many culture inside, and I think Mudum is a good expression of the melting of the culture in Luxembourg, because you have so many expositions coming from so different countries. So you can go there and see the architecture of the building is fantastic, and the exposition, of course, is changing day by day.
Mudam is shorthand for Musée d'Art Moderne. It's only a 10-minute ride from the city centre on the tram, and in Luxembourg, public transport is free for everyone. The museum stands on the Kirchberg Plateau in the northeast of town and was opened in 2006. It was designed by architect I.M. Pei and houses the largest collection of contemporary art in Luxembourg. In addition, there are always temporary exhibitions by international artists, with everything from installations to painting. It's time for our last stop.
Ce qui est très joli, c'est de partir de l'église Saint-Michel et comme ça, vous pouvez longer toute la corniche qui est au-dessus de Neumünster, et vous avez un très joli panorama sur Luxembourg et toutes les casemates qui sont aussi qui surplombent Neumünster.
The Chemin de la Corniche has been called the most beautiful balcony in Europe. It runs right along the edge of the 17th century ramparts. From here we get a sensational view of Luxembourg and the Grundquarter with all its historical houses. And for anyone who likes exploring a city from a different perspective, this part of town is definitely not to be missed.